Hey guys, this is Travis with Chevrolet of Everett. Here's a few things you can expect when you're servicing your vehicle with us. To start, you should generally come see us between 3,000 and 5,000 miles to get your oil changed, or what GM recommends is go off of your oil percentage life, under 20%. At your 30 and 60K mile services, you can expect to get a tire rotation, an oil change, an alignment, a brake fluid flush, and an engine air filter. With every 90K service, you get everything that you get with your 30 and 60,000 mile service, except you're going to add a coolant flush. Also, with every service, you get a free vehicle health inspection report. If you're coming in for an oil change, you can expect to spend between $69.95 and $99.95 for most vehicles. Corvettes and specialty vehicles do vary. Getting your brake service starts at $289.95. That includes machining the rotors. If you're adding rotors, that's going to add to the price. One thing to remember here at Chevrolet of Everett is we service all year, makes, and models. So please give us a call or go online and schedule a reservation, and we can get your vehicle handled. Please like and subscribe.